Saturdays on by 5:30. River bends past the old mill sign. Route 36 starts moving, and the whole town comes alive. There's a church bell down on Main Street, a mower running afternoon. Kids with dust on their sneakers, chasing summer until June. Granddad talks about Cy Young like he saw him take the mound. Says some names leave for bigger places, some stay and hold their ground. The Tuscarawas River runs slow and brown. Coffee's burning black at the diner by the bridge. Another quiet morning in Newcomerstown. The river bends past the back roads. Cornrows lean into the light. Everybody knows your truck here and who you waved at Friday night. Not on the map for most who drive on by, but it holds me down when I need a reason why. Newcomerstown, Led Ape, Chief Ned, Tawat, Weeze laid the groundwork. William Burris, the film actor, Norman Bell Geddes, the theatrical designer, Woody Hayes, OSU's greatest head coach, Cy Young, the baseball great. They came from here in Newcomerstown. Brick storefronts that have seen better decades, but the names on the mailboxes all read the same. High school stands at the edge of town. Friday lights draw the whole place out. Pioneer Cemetery in the center of town, where great-grandpa's stone is easily found. The train sounds off all through the town. Dogs bark down the lane. You can leave by the interstate, but you still come back by name. Newcomerstown, Led Ape, Chief Ned, Tawat, Weeze laid the groundwork. William Burris, the film actor, Norman Bell Geddes, a theatrical designer, Woody Hayes, OSU's greatest head coach, Cy Young, the baseball great. They came from here in Newcomerstown. Maybe it isn't perfect, maybe jobs got hard to find. I've seen bigger cities, I've seen brighter lights. None of them felt like these quiet nights. But there's a hand on your shoulder when life cuts close behind. There's a flag by the fire station, a screen door with a squeak. Newcomerstown, Led Ape, Chief Ned, Tawat, Weeze laid the groundwork. William Burris, the film actor, Norman Bell Geddes, a theatrical designer, Woody Hayes, OSU's greatest head coach, Cy Young, the baseball great. They came from here in Newcomerstown. Morning comes up, my name won't join him. Cy Young's got his trophy, Woody's got his name. I'm just a ghost working for change, a big-time heart in a small-time town. No, my name won't join him, just another hometown shadow that comes straight from Newcomerstown.